888. Break the time loop. Your cosmic shift is here to the one feeling trapped in a relentless cycle, where every door seems locked and the future feels like a rerun of the past. This is your universal sign. The sacred code, 888, is flashing in your sky, screaming, "This chapter is ending. Your rebirth has already begun." The illusion of stuck is just a test of your faith. The universe isn't ignoring you. It's asking you to upgrade your frequency. Close your eyes. Stop visualizing the problem. Start feeling the relief, the joy, the freedom of having already broken free. Here's your key. Rewrite the script. Replace "I'm trapped" with "I am aligning with miracles." Time isn't linear. That loop? It's a spiral. You're ascending even if it feels like spinning. Dress for the future you. Act, speak, and think as if your desires are yours now. The universe mirrors your inner state. The how isn't your job. Your job is to trust, release, and vibrate at the level of your wildest dreams. Doors you've never noticed will creak open. Strangers will become allies. Ideas will strike like lightning. 888 is your cosmic contract. No struggle lasts forever. The moment you shift from "why me" to "try me," the gridlock shatters. This isn't hope, it's prophecy. Your timeline is upgrading.